How to enable lean and peak in Sausage Man. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are in Sausage Man and want to enable lean and peak, then first of all launch open the Sausage Man app on your device and make sure that you're signed into your account. After you're inside the lobby page, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner from the lobby screen. In the pop-up, click on Settings. Inside the Settings tab that appears on the screen, make sure you're inside the Basic and then go to Bottom. Look for the Lean and Peak option and tap on Enable. Under the Stand settings. Once you enable Lean and Peak, you can now get back to the lobby screen and you've enabled the Lean and Peak in Sausage Man. You can use this feature to take cover more effectively and improve your accuracy during intense firefights. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.